When adding notes to drawings, it's important to capture information like material, weight, revision, or any other custom property. You could create a note and manually type the information in, but what happens if that information changes? You'd have to change the note to match the drawing as well. What if we could link the note to the custom property to make sure it updates automatically as the part changes? Let's find out how in this 2-minute tech tip. Taking a look at this green brick drawing, there are two configurations, a 4x2 brick and an 8x2 brick. By adding a note inside of the isometric view, a label will be added saying configuration. Going to the next line, I'll choose Link Note to Property from the Notes Property Manager. Ensuring that Model Found Here is selected, this will show the custom properties of the part file rather than the custom properties of the drawing file. The configuration name custom property will be linked to this note. This evaluates as 4x2 brick and gets added to the note. By linking the note to the custom property, now when the parent drawing view's configuration is changed, all drawing views will update, including the note. This concept can be applied to the sheet format as well, capturing information such as weight, revision, material, title, and more. By linking notes to custom properties in the sheet format, this can be used to create a drawing template so when the custom properties are filled out, then all the information will be written in their appropriate locations. Standardizing your drawing sheets by linking notes to custom properties is an efficient way to capture information about the model in the drawing. This allows the user to fill out all of the custom properties and let the template take care of where the information should go. If you like this video, please be sure to check out our SolidWorks Drawings course to learn more about template standardization, as well as our Ask SolidProfessor SolidWorks course, specifically Section 6, to learn more about linking notes to annotations. Thanks for watching.